It's time to do a simple project, so let's turn the handle for this ice cream scoop. Well, I thought this was going to be a quick project. Usually these kits where you just make a handle take maybe an hour from start to finish, and you can get them done, just quickly in an afternoon, which is awesome. I ran into problems with my chisel, skew chisel not being sharp, so I went to sharpen it, but the numbers I had marked for the angle from last time weren't accurate, so I tried to grind it down and sharpen it again, but was getting frustrated, so I ended up just doing it by hand, which worked fine. And once I got it sanded down, this jatoba wood looked really nice. I used a salad bowl finish on it. I put, I think, 4 coats on it. Basically just each night when I got back from work, I would sand the previous coat very lightly and put a fresh coat on it. The day after that final coat, I came out and checked it, and it looked great, but the finish was kind of just a little bit tacky, and it felt really terrible. So I was worried I was going to have to refinish it or just sand it down and try something else. But the next weekend when I came out and had enough time to try that, it was fine. So I guess after 4-ish days, it was good. So try to be patient with finishes. Lesson for me. But yeah, it turned out nice, and I'm ready to go eat some ice cream.